idea, I'm going to take this foam red, and I'm going to spray paint it in black. I'm going to take one of these containers, do the same thing, and the marble, make sure to spray it in gold. Then go ahead and place that attach all the way around it. Take your floor foam and then cut it into two pieces, one shorter than the other one. Then just go ahead and attach it to the top. Then I took this top and I place it in the middle, and then place the ball on top, place the flower, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. Or you could just put little balls like this so you can make it two different, or you could just leave it in plain. It's up to you. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take this circle. They have it in Dollar Tree, and this plate I'm gonna spray paint both of them in gold. I'm gonna take this mirror that they have in Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna attach it to the circle like that, and then place it on top of the plate, and then just go ahead and attach it into place. They also have this metal in Dollar Tree. It's like a little metal string. I'm gonna spray paint it in gold, cut it into pieces, and then just attach it where you see the line all the way around it. I'm gonna take my marble that I spray painted in gold and just place it around it. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. This is a great home decor for you all. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take these containers, a small one like that, and a glass and a big glass, and place one at the bottom, one at the top. Then they have these circle stickers. I'm gonna place, you could place any shape that you would like, and then just attach it to the middle like that. Just go ahead and all the way around if you would like. The spray painted in gold. I'm gonna take this rhinestone and I'm just gonna place it on the bottom and on the top. I'm gonna place a candle on top, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. It's like a little candle holder that you guys can do for your home decor, and easy. Let's take this clear container. We're gonna take some spoon. We're gonna need a lot of plastic spoon. We're gonna cut it into part like that. Just take the long part out, and then we're gonna take some hot glue and attach it to the clear ball like that. And just go ahead and keep putting hot glue and attaching your spoon until you do like the whole line all the way down. Then go ahead and grab another one and do the whole thing out until you do the whole thing. Go ahead and grab your spray paint, and then take this silver tray, put it on top, and this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. Something so simple and easy that you guys can do at home. I hope you guys like this home decor. Let's not forget to like, comment, and share. Now for the next idea that we're going to do, I'm going to use one of these marbles, and I'm going to take some hot glue, put some E6 down. So make sure to use a stronger glue to attach them into place. So I'm going to attach a row of 5 like that. Then after I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and continue attaching another one until you do like a set of the whole thing like that. After that, just go ahead and spray paint it in gold, whatever color you guys are doing. Then go ahead and place your cup on top, and there you have it. Something cute and inexpensive that you guys can do for your home decorations. And the good thing is you don't have to spend a lot of money. Glass, and I'm going to use this rhinestones. I'm gonna cut it into a long string, and the reason for this, I'm gonna attach it with hot glue. After I spray painted it in white, I'm gonna attach it like that from bottom to top. I'm gonna continue doing this until I do the whole thing. And then you can also place one of the top jar on top, or you could just place flower. This is how it turns out, just with a flower. I think it came out super cute, and it's so easy that you guys can do it at home. And then this is how it turns out with the candle only. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY.